So welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a bit of maintenance on the Classic 350, which is just out of shop. I've got back from Kent yesterday. I don't know when this video will come out. It'll probably be, you may have seen one or two videos published on Kent before I bring this one out. But anyway, the plan today is to change the oil and check the tension on the chain and clean the chain and re-lube it. I might do a few other bits and bobs as well, but we'll see. So I don't know if that's being picked up on camera because it is a bit dark in here, but my trip back from Folkestone, the bike got absolutely blasted. So I'll give it a wash later once I've done all the work on it. But first of all, let's clean the chain. Get the gist. So the chain's clean, and now I need to adjust it because it's consistently around 30mm 3 play, which is like the maximum. So while I'm here, I'll adjust it. That's about 20mm, which I think is the minimum. So, good enough. So I bought the oil from Hitchcock's along with the filter and various seals by the looks of it. So let's cut this open and see what we've got. Filter cover, O-ring, another O-ring, and a copper washer. I think that's for the sump plug. I'll marinate the oil filter for a while the oil's training. And that'll be ready for the first start. I wonder what that's for. Sure, it'll be obvious in a minute. Right, let's go and make a mess of the garage floor. So we've got to undo these 2 bolts. I think there's a filter in there, and that's the sump plug. I'll drain that as well. So I put some gloves on for this. You don't want oil on your skin if you can help it. It isn't good. It causes you all sorts of problems, dermatitis, etc. So there it comes. This isn't a how-to video. There's plenty of other YouTube videos that show you how to do an oil change on one of these. These are more like tinkering videos that just show you what I'm up to, really. And there's the filter. I'll give that a good dose of brake cleaner. And let that carry on dripping. So around this side you've got the main filter housing, held on by these 3 cap head bolts. So I'm loosening them off. Obviously there's going to be a bit of oil there. Put that bit of cloth there to mop any spillages, but it's going to make a bit of a mess. But here we go. In there you've got the big O-ring, what needs replacing. I am a fan of the old blue paper towel, but I wouldn't ever use it inside a filter house, where filter housing would go, or anywhere internal, because they do break up and you don't want little fibres getting into your filter. So a bit of cloth, I think, is a better option. Not so worried about the mess I'm making on the bike, because I'm going to jet wash it clean later. Try not to burn myself on the exhaust. Looks clean. I'm going to do the sump plug now. So I'll get a little bit more oil out of there. Oh, that's tight. Bloody hell. That was tight. Possibly too tight. Won't be much in there. So I cleaned all the components with some brake cleaner, and now it's just a matter of replacing the washers and seals. So copper washer off the sump plug, so the big O-ring on the oil filter cover, this is my old scribe. I was an engineer once. Make sure that's seated properly. That's better. all done. So a nice clean funnel. Let's top it up. Nice and slowly. Apologies if you can hear the washing machine. There's about 850 left in there. Which probably means, yeah, about just over 100 in there. So the other thing I've fitted is a right hand handle on the Enfield. That'll help me when I put it on the trailer, because I used the other one to help strap it down. Just didn't have time to fit this one, but that would definitely be good. And it'd be good for if I carry any luggage or anything on the back of the bike. It's a good strapping point. So I've lubricated the chain after I've given it a wash. So it's a good day's work actually. Oil change complete, all the filters cleaned, all replaced, new handle fitted, chain cleaned and lubricated, and I gave it a little wash as well. So all good. Nice bit of tinkering. It's a bit hot for it though, to be honest. But anyway, take care. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.